different denominations, all printed in one place at incredible speed.
It all starts with precision ink, injected into powerful printing systems. At high speed, ink transforms plain paper into real currency. From $1 to 100, this is how money is made.
Welcome inside America's money factory, where trillions of dollars are printed every year. This is where money is created at an unimaginable scale.
This facility produces billions of banknotes used across the nation. Every step inside is protected by advanced security systems. Inside, the process of printing money begins.
Thousands of sheets are processed every hour in this facility.
Each sheet carries multiple bills, printed with extreme precision.
Advanced machines ensure every detail is printed perfectly. Experts monitor every step to maintain accuracy and quality. Printed sheets are collected and prepared for further processing.
This is just the beginning. Next, we'll see what makes this paper so special. Up next, the secret behind currency paper.
This isn't ordinary paper. It's specially designed to last and resist counterfeiting. Every dollar starts with a unique material.
This isn't ordinary paper. It's specially designed to last and resist counterfeiting.
Every dollar starts with a unique material.
The fibers are blended and formed into strong, durable sheets. A security thread is built into every bill, making it harder to replicate. Watermarks are embedded into the paper as a key security feature. A security thread is built into every bill, making it harder to replicate. Even microscopic fibers are added to increase security. The sheets are dried and pressed to achieve their final strength.
Now that the paper is ready, it's time to turn it into real money. Next, the printing process begins.
These sheets are now ready for the printing process. These sheets are now ready for the printing process.
This isn't ordinary paper. It's specially designed to last and resist counterfeiting. Every dollar starts with a unique material. Before money is printed, every detail is carefully designed and secured. This is where the dollar takes its first visual form.
U.S. currency is made from cotton and linen, not wood pulp.
Designers create every detail digitally with extreme precision.
The fibers are blended and formed into strong, durable sheets.
Even the portrait is crafted with microscopic detail.
Watermarks are embedded into the paper as a key security feature. These designs are engraved onto metal plates used for printing. A security thread is built into every bill, making it harder to replicate.
Microprinting adds another layer of security, impossible to copy.
Even microscopic fibers are added to increase security. Intricate patterns make duplication extremely difficult. Every sheet is inspected to ensure perfect quality.
Colors are carefully layered to maintain consistency and authenticity.
The sheets are dried and pressed to achieve their final strength.
Security features are integrated directly into the design.
These sheets are now ready for the printing process. Only after strict approval does the design move to production.
Now that the paper is ready, it's time to turn it into real money. Next, the printing process begins.
Now that the design is complete, it's time to bring it to life. Next, the printing process begins.
The printing process begins with offset printing, adding background colors. Multiple layers of color are applied with perfect alignment. Sheets move seamlessly through the system without interruption. Next comes intaglio printing, the most critical stage. Extreme pressure creates the raised texture you can feel on every bill. Every line and detail is printed with microscopic precision.
Thousands of sheets are printed every hour in this facility.
Advanced machines ensure flawless execution at high speed. Printed sheets are stacked and prepared for inspection. Next, every bill is checked for perfection. Every bill is packed with advanced security features to prevent counterfeiting. A built-in security thread makes each bill unique and verifiable.
Watermarks reveal hidden images when held to light.
Color-shifting ink changes as the bill moves, making it harder to fake. Microprinting adds details so small they're nearly invisible. Under UV light, hidden features reveal themselves instantly. Each bill is assigned a unique serial number for tracking. Advanced scanners inspect every detail for perfection. Any defect, and the bill is instantly removed from circulation. Only flawless bills move forward, ready for final cutting and packaging. Now the sheets are cut into individual bills with perfect precision. Each bill now takes its final shape.
Machines count every bill with absolute accuracy. Bills are stacked into bundles, each perfectly measured.
Bundles are sealed into bricks, ready for distribution. Every bundle is checked one last time before leaving the facility.
Billions of dollars are stored in high-security vaults.
From here, the money is prepared for distribution across the country. Armored trucks transport cash safely to banks nationwide. From raw materials to the money in your pocket, this is how America prints its wealth.